Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over 5 things you need to know before you buy this Yitahome Vanity Desk. So I do want to thank Yitahome for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is that this is what the mirror looks like after, and that is what we had before. So the mirror is definitely large. So if you are into something with a larger mirror, definitely check this out. It also does light up and has different touch modes, right? Do you see over there? Now, compared to our previous desk, in which our previous desk was simply just a wooden desk that you see right over there. This one here comes equipped with 10, technically 11 different storage spaces if you actually include the chair as well. So the chair is included and it does open up to actually place things inside also, which also includes the 10 drawers that you see right over there. What you also need to know about this vanity desk is that it does include built-in plugs. So you do have 2 plugs here and then a type C plug right over there and a USB plug right over there as well. Not necessarily a pro or con, but I highly recommend having some help when it comes to assembling this desk just because it took me and I was able to do it by myself. But it took me around like 2 to 3 hours to actually assemble this. Now, this is with me just being a very casual assembler, not too handy with things. But overall, I'd say that if you're in the market for a vanity desk, definitely check this out. It's not often that you find a combo which includes the mirror, the desk with drawers, and a chair all in one. So my wife absolutely loves it. You can see that she places all sorts of things inside now, where if all of this wasn't inside these drawers, it used to be on top of a table right over there. But overall, very pleased with it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.